Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to cook this ivy gourd. You can cut this round in shape just like this, as you can see on the right side of your screen, or you can cut it in two other ways with a special blend of spices which you can make and use in 10 plus vegetables using this spice mix. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on for the future uploads. So let's begin with heating up oil. I have about 3 tablespoons of oil. We require little bit more oil for this particular vegetable. To that I'm going to add ajwain or garam seeds, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and saute for a few seconds and add pinch of asafoetida or hing for a nice flavor and aroma, and then about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. This will add tons of flavor. I'm going to saute until the raw flavor goes away, and then I'm going to add chopped green chilies. You can add as per your taste, and then we're going to add chopped ivy gourd, and then we are going to mix this until it's very well coated with the flavorful oil. Now add a half teaspoon of salt so that it can release moisture and we can cook with its own moisture, and about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to get a nice and soft yellow hue and flavor. So it gives a very nice bright color to the ivy gourd. Now we are going to cover this and let it cook on a low flame for about 5 minutes until it's tender. So after 5 minutes or so, we are going to stir this, and as you can see it has cooked very well, and I'm going to check for how soft it has become. If it's not soft, then you can cover it for another minute or so, but for me it is done. It is nice and soft. So at this point I'm going to add this special masala that will add lot of flavor, and this is all you need to make this curry. So 2 tablespoons of cumin seed, 4 tablespoons of coriander seed, whole Kashmiri red chilies, and about quarter cup of raw peanuts. Roast them about 3 to 5 minutes on a low flame or until it's aromatic and changes its color. Now let it cool, and we are going to grind this in this spice grinder. I have added the link in the description box. Once it's blended, we are going to add red chili powder and turmeric powder, and then grind it again until everything is mixed really well. So here our special masala is ready. You can store this in a glass jar after it completely cools. So I'm going to add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of this special masala. It adds lots of flavor, and you can add this spice to any vegetable that you like, especially the Indian vegetables like cluster beans or okra or bottle gourd, and common vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, and potato. Now I'm going to add salt. We have added the salt before, so add accordingly, and about 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. This gives a nice earthy flavor, and sugar is optional, but it will balance all the flavors, all the spice blend that we have added. So now cover this and let it cook on low flame for 2 minutes until all the spices is absorbed. And after 2 minutes, our ivy gourd stir fry is ready. You can serve this with roti, paratha. Here I am serving this with tur dal and roti, which is really staple food in my household. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.